going on, everyone? Today we're going to be going over AVANTIS because AVANTIS just now broke out of a bearish pattern, so it could be going down. We're going to talk about this today, though. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's hop straight into this. So as you can see, AVANTIS is down 4.7% in the last 24 hours, still up 52% in the last 7 days because of that massive pump. And then we have 51% down in the last 30 days still. But we are looking at good trading volume at 144 million in trading volume and 191 million inside of market cap. So that is good over there. And then as you guys can see, this right here is a rising wedge. So we just now broke out of this rising wedge to the downside. So there is a possibility that we could see very soon 68 cents. And even 57 cents. I know people don't want to see AVANTIS do something like that again, but the logic behind this is either the previous high of the last try for us trying to pump, or the previous low areas. So it's one or the other. So that's what I'm looking at now. So again, either the last high up here, which was 68 cents, or the low down here, 57 cents. Those are the two levels that I'm targeting here inside of AVANTIS. So let me know what you guys think about this. Do you guys think that AVANTIS is about to break down to the downside? What do you guys think is about to come next from this? And also another thing, it could be possible that we're also forming another pattern here, which can be seen as a bearish pattern, a descending triangle. So we have two bearish potentially bearish patterns, because I don't know if this is a descending triangle yet. It's going to take a little bit of time, but if this is a descending triangle, which if it breaks this support, then that kind of confirms that this is a descending triangle. So we have two bearish patterns here. We have a rising wedge here, and then we have a descending triangle. So that's kind of crazy. But look, exactly why you chose to trade AVANTIS or whatnot. AVANTIS does seem to have some promising sides to it. I think AVANTIS definitely has a lot of potential, especially being on the Binance Smart Chain. So I think AVANTIS is going to do long term. But as of right now, I think we're going to have a nasty, well, not a nasty pullback, but look, the pullback's either going to bring us to like 68 cents, 57 cents, or 53 cents, right? That's what we're looking for right now. So it's really not that big of a pullback if you think about it. But yeah, people are still making money trading on the AVANTIS platform, which is why I know like AVANTIS is going to be good. People are probably going to start taking those profits that they're making on the AVANTIS platform and like rolling them into the actual coin. I think that might start happening, but we'll see. But yeah, we are seeing that the selling volume here is increasing. So the selling volume here on the MACD is increasing for AVANTIS. So it's something that we got to also watch out for. So we got three bearish signals here. We have the descending triangle, which we have right here that's forming up right now. And then and I don't know if it's confirmed yet, but it kind of looks confirmed. And then we also have this rising wedge pattern. And then this is really why I like trading chart patterns like this. I know not everyone is like a pattern trader, but me, I'm really a pattern trader. There's like different types of traders for those of you that don't know. But this right here, this is a classic case of a bullish symmetrical triangle, which I didn't notice on the way up actually. So that's a bullish symmetrical triangle right there. This is why I trade these patterns, guys. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. And once you get the hang of it, and also once you realize that not all patterns are created equal. Sometimes it will be a bullish pattern, but then it'll go down to the downside and it'll just be bearish for no reason, right? There are win rates and success rates for these patterns. I think the rising wedge is like an 83% success rate to the downside. So that's what we're looking for. Symmetrical triangle, 54% success rate there. So, we're just, taking it one day at a time. But look, we have two bearish patterns here. I'm going to keep you guys updated. Also, we have the bearish selling volume here on the MACD as well. And then we have the %R trend exhaustion here, showing the white line being the short-term trend has now just started curving downwards. And the blue line is the long-term trend, which will probably start following it now So I do think that we're going to get a pullback here, guys. So prepare for that. If it does not pull back, then we're in a really good space, because then we're probably going to see a huge parabolic run all the way up to like $1.05. So if we don't pull back, just know we're going up like 40 to 50%. So be prepared, find out what you guys want to do. Me personally, I'm just kind of watching it, paying attention. Because, yeah, I could try to short this. I could go on AVANTIS and then try to short this on AVANTIS. But I don't know if I want to short, because, you never know in this market. You never know in this market. It does seem like a pretty easy short, though. It does seem like a pretty easy short going down to what, 68 cents or even down to 57. But I see it being easy going down to 68 cents first. But, I'm not going to do that. But shout out to all the members of the channel out there. Guys, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none is financial advice. Become a member of the channel. Only $9.99 per month. You'll be helping support me, and you'll also help support the channel. You'll help me continue to give you all this information for free. And you can also give me a recommendation to go over any crypto inside of the comments. So go in the comments if you are a member and give me a recommendation. So shout out to all these people out there. Shout out to all y'all. And as always, I'll be back with another video.